some serious talking. What do you guys say? She's smiling. What else, Cecily? She always do that?
Yeah, I mean lately. Oh, it's cool from way up above.
Look at you trying to turn back over, son. You've almost got it. You almost got it. Some extreme cuteness going on in this corner of the room. It's almost got it.
Tummy time?
Yeah, it's tummy time. And they're looking at each other and talking to each other.
Oh my God. Their first conversation. Okay, time for some more baby close-ups.
Oh, here he goes. He's lifting up his head. He's doing it. Push, buddy, push. Push. Let's see the push-up. Push. Push. Oh, there he goes. There's his head. It's up. It's up. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Yeah. Nice one. Wow. The head is way up there, bud. You're sitting up. You're up there. Tummy time, little kid. Oh, look at Leslie's head is going up. It's going up. It's coming up.
Isn't this Pilates?
There you go. Build that core.
Oh.
There you go. You got like 2 inches there, little one.
Oh, she can go. She can go a lot higher than that when she wants to.
Let's see that head get up there.
Grace is checking. Grace is like, hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Hey, just look around.
Just eating my own hand.
You better watch, got it right.
Well, son, this is hardly torture anymore. Except you're choking on your own vomit. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy.
Quiet, Deco, quiet down.
Hi, little son.
We've sort of been teaching her to bark at the door, so.
Hi, Cecily, Miss Lipton Head. Look at you, look at
hi.
you.
Oh.